What it is, what it do to be like, it's your girl Meechie, and I'm back with another video. Hey, hey, hey. I'm back now. I'm back and I'm better. Today's gonna be a real quick video. Today is gonna be a real quick video about how I show you guys how to make your own tags. But wait, before we do that, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I post. Like this video and comment what you want to see next. Now let's get into the video. All right, so first go to Vistaprint and buy the Vistaprint and buy some thank you cards. No. I'm about to cut this part out because. Alright, so first go to Vistaprint and buy some business cards. Make sure they're vertical, put your logo and whatever else you want on them as if they were tags. Once you have their hole puncher, all you need to do is literally just hole punch the top part in the middle or the side or wherever you want it. Hole punch that part so you have a hole. So there, boom, you have tags. That's literally it. There's nothing special about it. You can do this with horizontal tags if you wanted to. You can do them with vertical tags. You also can take a tag and get them vertical and then cut the corners to make your tags look like a design, a hexagon or whatever you want. You know, whatever you want to do, you can have your tags look the way you want. You just customize it on Vistaprint. They'll ship it to you. And then after that, get a hole puncher, hole punch it, put it in on the shirt. Boom, there you got your own tags. I was looking on Vistaprint and they didn't have like tags that you could like customize, because that's what I wanted to do. So I was like, maybe if I just get business cards, vertical business cards, and get them in the standard, make sure you get them in the standard printing. They have standard, they have premium, and they have something else that's more than premium. I'm not sure. I'll put it up on the screen. Get the standard because that means they only do 4 finishes or 4 sheets of paper. Premium, I think, is 8 sheets, which basically is the thickness of the tag. So standard is the thickness of the business card, so that's what will make it feel more like a tag and less like a business card. Now my business cards are premium. I got those thicker because the business cards are not tags. So I think this is really convenient because most other like places don't really have a place where you can customize tags, or if you do, you have to order a certain amount or it costs too much. Like Vistaprint, I only paid $20 for my tags and I got 500 of them. That's a pretty good price to me anyways. So in my previous video, one of my previous videos, I talked about how I had 800 something followers from networking, and I was like, I got 800 something followers. Now I'm at like 900. I'll just roll that clip real quick. I went from 235-ish followers to 800 followers, and I'm almost at 900. That's like 600-700 followers just off of this, just from her. Well, now your girl is at 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers. Like, I'm just I'm sorry. No, but for real, I just appreciate it so much. Like, I'm saying thank y'all, but like, y'all weren't the ones that follow me because I haven't told nobody I have a YouTube channel yet. So thank you. I appreciate you so much. I really do. I'm growing really fast and I'm just excited. I'm really happy. And I'm beyond blessed. Like, won't he do it? That's God. God did this. That's all I wanted to talk about today. I told y'all this is gonna be a real short video. Like, literally, I just wanted to say thank y'all and show y'all how to do this because it's real easy, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. So yeah, that's all I had to talk about for today. Make sure you subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I post. Like this video and comment what you want to see next. So I did it again where I forgot to basically say what I have on. Like, y'all see the shirt, y'all see it. Cop you one. I'm not gonna keep doing this. Yes, I am. Cop you one. Get you one in my Instagram, link in the description below. Buy you one. They're like $30. You don't have to get it with this on it. You can get it with a white background with your name, sis. Your name with all the fonts I have and the colors. Go check it out. That's all I gotta say. Bye.